Welcome back to Taste the World with Julia. Today we are baking Apfelstreuselkuchen, which is a classic German apple crumble cake. For the cake batter, we will need 300 grams of flour, 260 grams of sugar, 260 grams of butter, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. For the apple layer, you will need 1.5 kilograms of apples, the juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And for the streusel, the crumbles, 400 grams of flour, 200 grams of cold butter, 120 grams of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. First, start by peeling the apples and setting them aside. Then, beat the butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla essence together with the mixer until light and fluffy. Mix under the flour and the baking powder. Then set the batter aside. Then grate the apples. Cut 1 apple into small pieces for extra texture. Then mix everything with the lime juice and cinnamon sugar. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia for a new one every week. Lightly grease a deep baking tray or just use baking paper and spread the cake batter evenly across the bottom. Then distribute the grated apple mixture over the top. For the streusel or the crumble, combine the flour, sugar, vanilla essence and cold butter in a bowl and use your hands to rub everything into crumbles. Scatter the streusel evenly over the apples, covering the whole surface. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius top-bottom heat, and then bake the cake for about 60 minutes. If the crumbles start to brown too quickly, cover loosely with aluminium foil. Let the cake cool slightly before slicing. Slice it up and enjoy a piece with coffee, just like in any German bakery. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Watch the next video here.